The march of the Nutcracker. We're going to learn to do Battement Jete in all of the forms. So let's get ready and let's get to it. In ballet, Jete means thrown. Thus, when we do any Battement Jete, we are expected to do it with accent. It can be done forward, to the side, to the back, with plie, with a stretched leg, on point or demi point. Now, let's go to the bar and let's learn to do Battement Jete from the first position, the basic. First position, 2 hands on the bar. We are going to do Battement Jete to the side. We are going to point toes and lift with accent up in the air, 25 degrees out of the ground. How are we going to calculate that 25 degree out of the ground? Well, it's going to be in the air, but it's going to be lower than our calves level. So there. Anytime we go in or out, we are going to pass through a Battement Jete. If you don't know how to do Battement Jete, I'm going to leave it up here, so then after this tutorial you go and learn how to do Battement Jete. For the moment in Battement Jete, we are just going to open passing through a demi point, brushing the floor, and we are going to point up to Battement Jete. Then we are going to lower with accent down through a demi point and brush all the way to the first position or the initial position. Always remember that the supporting legs need to be really lifted in order to create this space for the leg to go out and in without bending knee. Now that we know how it's gonna look like, let's do 2 Battement Jete continuous just to really see how it feels. So 5, 6, 7, go Jete, stop and down. First repeat Jete, stop, down, stay. Awesome. Let's say now we're going to begin from a third position. Let's go sideways to the bar. One leg in front of us, third position. At this time I have my left leg in front and arm by your side. Now we are going to do Battement Jete forward, and the first thing that we need to think is heels move first and point accent up. And now on the way back to the initial position, toes are going to leave the movement back. Why am I saying that? Because we want to keep that turnout. So by pushing heel forward, we keep the turnout and the toes goes last and toes goes first. See the difference if we open toes first and heels go back. The turnout is lost. So let me show you 2 Battement Jete forward so you have a better understanding. 5, 6, 7, 8, heel 1, 2, and 3, 4, heel 1, 2, and toes. Now remember, the supporting leg really tall to create the space, so we don't need to bend knee on the way in or out, and the hip of the leg that is working goes back. Now, let's go to do Battement Jete to the back. When doing Jete to the back, it's different, totally opposite. So now we are going to open toes first, so my toes move first to the back, and heel is going to lead the movement back to initial position. Because the difference then will be, if I move heel first, the turnout is totally gone. There's no more endeavors. And if the toes go in, we lost the position. Yeah? So think about your toes going back, accent up, and heel going back in the initial position. Awesome. Now that we know how to do Jete forward to the side and to the back, let's learn how to do Jete piqué and Jete cloche. In the ballet class, let's do Jete piqué. So we do a Jete, and then my toes are never going to lose that pointing, and we are going to piqué. Awesome. One more time. Piqué. Can you hear that? So we just throw the leg in the air, and then we're just going to piqué the floor. Awesome. That can be also done forward, to the side, and to the back. So let's do a simple combination. Third position, on by your side, and the leg that is in front is going to do a Jete forward. 1, piqué, and close. To the side, Jete, piqué, and close. To the back, Jete, piqué, close. To the side again, Jete, piqué, close. Now we have Jete cloche. So Jete cloche, we are going always to do Jete, and then we are going to pass through a first position and continue to a Jete to the back. And go again through the first position and cloche, Jete. Forward. The main characteristic here when doing a Battement Jete cloche is that we don't let the hips to move with the working leg. Hips stay controlled, level, square, and goes forward, and hips doesn't even move, and back. So now that we know how to do Jete crochet, Jete piqué, and a normal ordinary Jete, we are going to learn to do a combo, and we're going to use our music for today. We are going to begin the combination with a Battement Jete before we do Battement Jete, so we notice the difference, and we are going to repeat almost everything forward to the side and to the back. So now, sideways to the bar, third position, arms on Brava. With the music, we are going to do 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, take the bar, 6, 7, and lift the arm by your side, second position, upright position, chin up, open chest. We are going to do tendu 1 and close 2, tendu 3, close 4, 5, plie, flex, and tendu, and close 2 Jete, 1, close, 2, close, and the accent of Jete is going to change in. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Did you get that? And we are going to repeat everything to the back. Tendu and close. Tendu and close. Tendu, plie, flex, and tendu. Fifth position. And 2 Jete slow. 1, close, and 1. Close and faster. In, 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 in. And repeat to the side. Tendu, third position to the back. Tendu, third position in front. Tendu and flex, tendu and close in front. And we are going to do Jete and close to the back. Jete, close in front, and in first position we are going to do first position, 3 and 4. Yes? I'm going to continue. Remember that you can always pause the video, rewind back, review the exercise, and then join me. I'm going to move to the next phrase. From here we're going to do 1, 2, 3, stay, 5, 6, back, stay, to the back, Jete, and cloche, 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 plie, détourné, which we just learned a few videos ago, demi plie, and wait for the music to begin everything to the other side. Quick tips: upright position, supporting leg really tall. Control your hips. When we're doing it forward, the hips go back. When we do it to the back, that hips go forward. Okay, so rather than doing this, the hip goes forward and very tall. Remember, the leg when it's on the back is right behind your head. So we don't keep it here, rather here. Cross your leg. Let's start practicing for our crossed arabesque. Now, let's do it with music. Third position, super tall, up, fifth position, bar, and open, tanti, flex, Jete, Jete, in, into the back. One more. Jete. And in. Side, close. Flex. Close in front. Jete. Back. First. Close in front. 1. Piqué. Close, stay. Side. Close, stay. Back. Cloche, keep going, plie, détourné, stay, balance, slide it forward, think about the exercise, everything to the left, down, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ready? To the back, Jete, and into the back, flex, 1, 2, and change, and in, to the side, flex, in front, Jete, close, and first, piqué, stay, to the side, to the back. Close, 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 pull, détenez. Stay. I hope that you enjoyed these videos. If you do so, remember to subscribe, give a like and share with your friends because tomorrow we have more surprises.